So now we'll see the next concept. So how to find the increase or decrease percentage in area, volume, etc. Say suppose for a rectangle, so we have length and breadth. Suppose the length is increased by 20%. So it is increased by 20% and breadth is increased by 10%. Now what will be the increase in its area? Say suppose the length is given and breadth is given. So we will find the area. L into B will get the area. And in that 20% increase we will find the new length, and 10% increase we will find the new breadth. Then find the area, new area, then the difference, divide by the original area into 100. So now instead of doing all this, so to find the increase or decrease percentage, say suppose for example it is increased by X%, and then it is increased by, the length is increased by X and breadth is increased by Y%. To find the net increase, net percent increase, so we can just use X plus Y plus XY by 100. So this will give you the increase percentage when there are two increases. So as area is two dimensional, so whenever area increase is asked, we can just use X plus Y plus XY by 100 to find the value. So here, so this working is got. Say suppose if area is 100. So if length is increased by 20%, so now what is 20% of 100? It is 20. So it is increased, it becomes 120. And now again it is increased by 10%. So what is 10% of 120? It is 12. The area becomes 132. So instead of 20 plus 10, 30. So area we have got is 132. From 100 it has come to 132. Now what is the increase? So subtract 100, increase is 32%. So instead of 30 we have got 32% increase, because first is this increased by 20% and in this increased value it is increased by 10%. So for this 20% increase, 10%. What is 10% of 22? So that is the additional increase. So whenever there are two changes, or for area as it is square units, it has two changes. So instead of doing all this, so just use this X plus Y plus XY by 100. That is X% increase, Y% increase. And for this X, 1 Y%, that is XY by 100, we get the increase in area. So for 20 and 10, what will be increase percentage? So we can use just this X plus Y. So 20 plus 10 plus 20 into 10 by 100. So which is equal to 30 plus 2, 32% increase. So whenever area increase is asked, so just use X plus Y plus XY by 100. So suppose instead of increase, so if decrease is given, so how to work out? So when decrease is given, so we will take minus for the decreased factor. So it is X minus Y, and here it is minus XY by 100. Say if length is increased by 20 and breadth decreased by 10, so what will be the net percentage increase or decrease? So net percentage increase or decrease is decided by the final sign. So if it is negative, it is the net decrease. If it is positive, it is net increase. So for 20 and 10 it will be, so we can use net percentage increase or decrease for two values, X minus Y minus XY by 100. So which is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 20 into 10 by 100. So 20 minus 10 is 10, and here this is 2, so 8%. So as this is positive, area is increased by 8%. So whenever one increase, one decrease, we can take the negative factor for the decreased value. So if both decrease, Or suppose if it is 20 decrease and 10 increase. So what will be the factor? So will it be 8% decrease? So we'll see what will be the factor. So here what is the decrease percentage? 20. So take minus for 20 plus for 10. So now what will be the factor? It is minus 10 minus 2, which is equal to minus 12. So we have a negative value. It means that the net effect is decrease, which is equal to 12%. So 12% decrease. So when 20 increased, 10 decrease, it was 8% increase. So when this is reversed, so 20 decrease 10, so it will not be the same 8 decrease, so it is more than that 12% decrease. So if both the values are decreased, say length and breadth, both decreased, now what will be the working? So minus for both the values, minus x minus y. So minus into minus becomes plus. So plus xy by 100. So we can take minus for the decrease factor. So minus x minus y plus xy by 100 is the decreased percentage. Or this can be written as, so for this we can take plus. The overall sign will imply negative sign, which implies it will imply the decrease, or as we know that this is a decrease, we can get the value that will give you the decreased percentage. As both are decreased, whatever the value got is a decreased value. So instead of taking minus x minus y plus xy, so we can write x plus y minus xy by 100 and find the single or net decrease percentage. And what will be the value for 20 and 10 when both are decreased? So to find the net percentage, so here it will be decreased because both are decreased values. So 20 plus 10, so we can take positive values here and minus 20 into 10 by 100. So this is 30 minus 2, so it is 28% decrease. So when both are decreased by 20% and 10%, so area is decreased by 28%. So by using just this x plus y plus xy by 100, according to increase or decrease, we can write the symbols and we'll get the net increase or decrease. So now what will happen if both length and breadth are increased and decreased by the same percentage? See, suppose x% increase and here it is x% decrease. Now what will be the overall effect? Net percent, will it be increase or decrease or nil effect? So this we can test with that x plus y plus xy by 100. So what is the net change when one is increased, the other is decreased? It is x minus y minus xy by 100. Now here both the values are x, same. So instead of y, we will take x itself. So it is x minus x into x by 100. So what will happen? So plus x minus x gets cancelled. Overall we have a negative sign, which means that the net effect is not increase or nil effect. It is always decrease effect. So whenever same percentage increase or decrease, so it will be always a decrease effect. So decrease percentage, which will be equal to x square by 100, or we can write this as or x by 10 the whole square. So whenever there is same percentage increase or decrease, so it is always decrease percentage x by 10 the whole square percentage. Say suppose for a cube, so we have discussed about both increases, both decrease, or one increase, one decrease, and increase and decrease for a same percentage. Now we'll apply in a question and work out. So we'll see a simple example. Say there is a cube where its side is increased by 10%. So side is increased by 10%. Now what will be increase in is lateral surface area. So what is lateral surface area? It is the sides removing the top and the bottom. So what is the formula for lateral surface area? It is 4A square. And now if side is A, so increase will be 110%. So 110 by 100 times of A. Now instead of doing all this, so what is the factor we are talking about? It is a two-dimensional factor. Area means two-dimensional. So though lateral surface area increases are, so no need to use this formula and all. So just we can use this x plus y plus xy by 100. So where we can use that for two changes. So x is 10. As for a cube, all sides are same. Y factor is also 10. So x plus y plus xy by 100. So what will be the net increase? It is 21% increase. So for a cube, when lateral surface area is asked, increases are, so no need to use the formula and all. So just use x plus y plus xy by 100. So net increase is 21%. Say suppose if they ask for total surface area, increase is asked. So for total surface area, net percentage increase if it is asked. So what will be the value? So what is formula for TSA for a cube? It is 6A square. So here no need to use this formula also. It will be the same 21%. So because it is again we are talking about area increase which is two-dimensional. So we can use the same x plus y plus xy by 100. So we are not going to find total surface area, only the increase. So net increase can be found using this. So which is equal to the same 21%. So now we have discussed for a cube lateral surface area and total surface area. So whenever area is same, so same percent increase will result in the same value. So TSA is also 21% increase. And suppose if this 10%, if it is for radius, so radius is increased by 10% for a circle. Now what will be increased percentage in its area? So again it is area for a circle, so pi r square, so both are of same unit, so increase will be the same 21%. So if it is a square also, if area increase is asked, if side is increased by 10%, area increase will be the same 21%. So whenever area is given, it is two-dimensional, and whenever two changes are there, x plus y plus xy by 100 will be very handy to work out. Suppose instead of 10%, so if a value is given, so not a multiple of 10, so if 8% is given, so what will be increase in its LSA? So lateral surface area. So as it is again area, we can use this x plus y plus xy by 100. Now when we had zeros we cancel, but here don't simplify like 4, 2 and 25. So instead of doing all this, add these two values and then multiply 8 into 8 by 100. So what will be the value? It is 16.64% increase. So if it is multiples of 10 we can cancel, otherwise, so no need to work out all, double this, square this and have in the decimal part. So if suppose it is 6%, now what will be increase in its area? So it is 12.36% increase. So just with the number we can get the answer. So now based on this increase decrease concept, we will work out a few examples.